In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your OneDrive files offline in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and learn how to make your files available wherever you are, even without an internet connection. To start, open up your File Explorer or Library folder on your computer. This is where all your files and folders are stored and where you'll be able to manage your OneDrive files. You'll see the OneDrive icon prominently located there, which is our gateway to accessing the files you need. Next, go ahead and click on the OneDrive icon. This will show you all the files and folders you've saved to OneDrive. It's important to know that not all these files are automatically available offline, which is why we're here today. As you look through your OneDrive files, take note of the different icons next to each file. If you see a green checkmark icon beside a file, that means the file is already available offline. These files are stored on your computer and you can view or edit them without an internet connection. This is incredibly useful for moments when you're traveling or in a place with unreliable internet. Once you find a file with a check icon, accessing it is straightforward. Simply double click to open it and you're free to use it just like any other file on your computer. However, if you notice a cloud icon next to a file, it means that the file is available online only. With this indicator, these files require an internet connection to open or edit. They aren't stored locally on your device, which means you can't access them if you're not connected to the internet. To make an online-only file available offline, right-click on the file and select Always Keep on this device. This action will download the file to your computer, adding a checkmark icon next to it, indicating that it is now available offline. It can take a few minutes depending on the file size and your internet speed, so be patient. To summarize, always check the icons next to your OneDrive files to determine their offline status. Remember, a green checkmark means it's ready for offline access, while a cloud means it requires internet connectivity. By making files available on your device, you're ensuring that they are ready to go even when you're not connected to the internet. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to access your OneDrive files offline, making sure you're always prepared to work, no matter where you are. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more useful technology tips and tutorials.